AMSOIL Engine Assembly Lube. Because building an engine can take from a few days to many months, using an engine assembly lube that clings well to parts for extended periods is critical. AMSOIL Engine Assembly Lube is formulated with a high-viscosity base oil and a unique tackifier for long-lasting, tenacious cling. Exceptional wear protection. During initial startup, engines operate momentarily with little to no oil pressure, placing camshaft lobes, lifters, rocker arms, bearings and other critical parts at high risk of wear and failure. In addition to inhibiting wear by clinging to parts, AMSOIL Engine Assembly Lube contains high levels of antiwear additives for further protection. Inhibits rust and corrosion. An engine can sit in a garage partially assembled for long periods, allowing moisture and oxygen to form rust on exposed metal surfaces. AMSOIL Assembly Lube contains rust and corrosion inhibitors that protect engine components during inactivity. Dissolves in oil. Grease-based assembly lubes can increase the risk of oil port clogging if the grease is not fully consumed at initial startup, potentially causing engine failure. AMSOIL Engine Assembly Lube is designed to dissolve in oil, helping oil ports remain clean, and helping to eliminate deposit formation under the valve covers and in the oil pan. Easy and precise application. AMSOIL Assembly Lube is packaged in convenient 4-ounce tubes, allowing for cleaner, more precise application compared to other products. Applications. AMSOIL Engine Assembly Lube is recommended for any new or rebuilt 4-stroke engine, including racing and performance engines, and should be applied to all areas of the engine susceptible to initial startup wear. The benefits of using AMSOIL Engine Assembly Lube include: tenaciously clings to parts, high in anti-wear additives, dissolves in oil, provides rust and corrosion protection. Recommended for all 4-stroke engines, including high-performance and racing engines. Join the millions of proud AMSOIL users to experience the difference and get your AMSOIL Engine Assembly Lube today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the preferred customer program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.